Kelly Barlow Creations, Crafting on a Budget. If you are new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. By popular request, I have designed some stinking cute new merchandise. You can find the link to my merchandise in the description box below, where you will find some stinking cute designs, styles, and colors. What have I got going on for you for today? Today I am bringing to you a DIY using those floral bouquets that you can get at the Dollar Tree. These happen to be the cotton floral bouquets that are good for the autumn and harvest time of year. I know that so many of you are really hoping that your Dollar Tree gets these soon. You've had your eye open for them. Mine just got them in last week, and so I was super excited that these came in. I picked up a few bunches of them. Today's decor idea using these is a decor idea that I have been doing for years and years, and I was just about getting ready to do it now to my bathroom and decided, you know what, this is another one of those decor ideas that I haven't brought to you all yet, so maybe I should bring it to you because it's a quick, it's an easy, it's a budget-friendly decor idea, and it's one of those ideas that's interchangeable for the seasons and the holidays, and I really love those types of decor ideas. It's a way to spice up your bathroom and add just a touch of the season or the holiday to your bathroom in such a subtle way. So let's jump into it and let me show you what I use the floral bouquets for from the Dollar Tree in my bathroom. From the Dollar Tree, I picked up 2 of these pine cone and cotton bouquets, this 3-pack of raffia, and I'll also be using some twine. I'm first gonna start off by taking my twine and I'm gonna wrap the base of this pine cone bouquet, covering up the green plastic. And I'll be using my hot glue gun for this, just adding a bit of glue to attach the twine, then wrapping the twine all the way to the bottom and hot gluing it again, just to keep it from unwinding. I'm gonna do this to both bouquets. Now taking my raffia, here is a cool trick when it comes to working with raffia. I'm gonna take my raffia that comes in this bundle. You know, when you take raffia out, it's kind of uncontrollable. It's all bent up and stays kind of in the form that it was wrapped in. Well, if you take and wet it, it will straighten out your raffia and make it so much easier to work with. You can see how wetting it really straightened it out nicely. I'm gonna set this aside. I'm gonna let it dry. It's gonna take maybe 10 minutes for it to dry. Raffia dries pretty quickly. In my bathroom, I have 2 different colored towels. The light taupe color is a bath towel and the dark chocolate is a hand towel. I pick my towels up from Walmart, and I'll also get them at Costco in June when they're on sale because Costco has an amazing sale on their towels every June. I'm gonna take my raffia and wrap it around both towels and tie it. Once I've got the raffia wrapped around my towel and somewhat tied, I'm gonna take the bouquet, I'm gonna place it right inside the raffia, and I'm gonna finish tying off my raffia into a bow. And you will see just how easy your raffia is to work with after you've wet it and straightened it out. Then I'm gonna take my scissors and give my raffia a bit of a haircut just to straighten up this bow just a bit. And again, I'm gonna do this to my second set of towels as well. And would you look at how simple yet how beautiful these towels have turned out. These are gorgeous decorative towels, and you can see just how easy it would be to interchange these bouquets to any holiday or season, just adding that subtle touch to your bathroom.
decorative towels can be a bit pricey when you buy them in the store. This cost me a total of $4, and the best part is you save these bouquets and you reuse them year after year as the season or holiday comes. And how about some subscriber shout outs going out to Renee Unrated, Jerica Harris, how about Cricket Nature, Riri Love, Libby, and Sonja Evans.
It doesn't get any quicker or any easier than that, and really it doesn't get much more budget friendly. This is such a fun way to spice up your bathroom and add just a touch of the holiday to it or the season. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and let's get this video to 2,000 likes, because those thumbs up really do help my channel and they help YouTube to notice me just a bit more. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy crafting on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.